Hello everyone, it's me Anjana from LearnoHub, the free learning platform where you can study Math, Science and SST absolutely free at learnohub.com. In today's class, we are going to discuss ICSE Class 10 Maths Chapter 2 Banking Exercise Questions 2B. If you haven't watched my previous video, go watch it because there we are discussing the two important formulas that you need today. Are you all ready? Are you all excited? Yes, let's all together be ready with your pen and papers. Here is our first problem, that is question number 1 of exercise 2B. We won't be solving every question. Pramod deposits rupees 600 per month in a recurring deposit account for 4 years. If the rate of interest is 8% per year, calculate the maturity value of this account. We have solved many such questions in our previous session and I hope you all remember the formula to solve these problems. Okay, now here what is the value of P? P, that is the monthly installment. This rupees 600. Then number of years is given, that is 4 years, from which we need to find number of months, that is 4 years will be equal to 48 months. 48 months. Rate of interest is given, that is 8%. Calculate the maturity value of this account. To calculate the maturity value, first we need to find the interest. I is equal to, what is the formula to find interest? Yes, that is P into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R divided by 100. Unless you by heart this formula, you won't be able to solve any question that comes from this section. Okay, substitute the values. Interest I is equal to P is 600 into n 48, n plus 1 49 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. R is given, that is 8. 8 divided by 100. You can cancel out the zeros. 12 and 48. You will be getting 4. 2 and 4. That is, you will be getting 2 here. 6 into 2 into 49 into 8. The answer is rupees, yes, 4,704. This is the interest value. Okay. Once you get the interest, we can easily find maturity value. Maturity value is equal to P into N plus I. Here P 600 into N is equal to 48. 48 plus I value we have determined, that is 4,704. 48 into 6. 48 into 6. 428. That is 28,800 plus 4,704. On adding this, you will be getting the maturity value. What is the answer? 4,053,3. 33,504. All of you got this? So this is the maturity value. To find maturity value, we had to find interest first. To determine interest, we have a formula P into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R divided by 100. Adding interest and P into N, you will be getting the maturity value. Problem 2, that is question number 2 of exercise 2B. Ritu has a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposits rupees 80 per month for 18 months. Find the rate of interest paid by the bank if the maturity value of account is 1554. Here, in this question, we need to find the rate of interest. Maturity value is already given. First, the monthly installment P is equal to rupees 80. Then, N is equal to 18 months. Also, the maturity value is given. Maturity value is equal to rupees 1554. How do you find the interest? Yes, interest I is equal to P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R divided by 100. You shouldn't substitute the values first. First, you need to write the expression, that is the formula to find interest. Only then substitute the values. Since you are using this in every question, you don't skip this step. Here P is equal to 80. 80 into N value is 18. 18 plus 1, 19 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. We don't know what R is. On doing the calculation, you will be getting interest in terms of rate of interest, that is I in terms of R. This is equal to 114 divided by 10 into R. 114 by 10 into R. This is interest in terms of rate of interest. Now, we can write the expression for maturity value. Maturity value is equal to P into N plus I. Here, P is equal to 80 into 18 plus I. We have I in terms of R. That is 114 by 10 into R. We know the maturity value, that is 1554. 1554 is equal to 80 into 18. We will be getting 1440 plus 114 by 10 into R. 114 divided by 10 into R is equal to 1554 minus 1440, which is equal to, on subtracting you will be getting 114. Here we have 114 divided by 10 into R. Value of R is equal to 114 into 10 divided by 114. Cancelling, the final answer is 10%. Rate of interest is equal to 10%. Problem 3, that is question number 3 of exercise 2B. The maturity value of a RD account is rupees 16,176. If the monthly installment is rupees 400 and the rate of interest is 8%, find the time period of this RD account. To find the value of N, that is a problem in which we have to solve the quadratic equation. Okay. Here we have the maturity value is equal to rupees 16,176. Then Monthly installment. Monthly installment P is equal to rupees 400. Rate of interest is also given. R is equal to 8%. We need to find the value of N. We have interest I is equal to P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R divided by 100. Write this equation, put inside a box because this is very important and it carries marks. Substitute the values. I is equal to P 400 into N we don't know. N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100, that is 8 divided by 100. Solving, I is equal to, you can cancel the zeros, 8, you will be getting 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 2 and 4 can be cancelled, 2 2s are 4. 4n into n plus 1 divided by 3. I is equal to 4n into n plus 1 divided by 3. Interest in terms of number of months. I in terms of n. Now, MV is equal to P into N plus I. Substituting values into this formula, you have MV given the question, that is 16,176 is equal to P into N, that is 400 into N value we don't know, keep it as it is, N plus I. We have I in terms of N. 4 N into N plus 1 divided by 3. Here we can divide throughout by 4. Dividing throughout by 4, you will be getting 4, 0, 4, 4 is equal to 400 becomes 100, 100 n plus, this 4 can be removed, n into n plus 1 divided by 3. Multiplying throughout by 3. Multiplication by 3. What do you get? 12, 13, 12. That is 12,132 is equal to 300 n plus n into n plus 1. On rearranging, n into n plus 1 can be written as n square plus n plus 300n minus 12,132 is equal to 0. N and 300n can be added. N square plus 301 n minus 12,132 is equal to 0. In order to solve this, we can use the method of splitting the middle term. First, find the factors. We have 12,132 dividing by 2, you will get 6066. Gain by 2, 3033. Dividing with 3, 1011. Again dividing with 3, it becomes 3, 3, 7. This 337 is a prime number. Further division is not possible. So the factors are 337 and multiplying 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. What do you get? 36. So the factors are 36 and 337. Now we need to put the positive and negative sign. Here we have the greater number should have the positive sign because here it is positive. 337 positive, 36 becomes negative 36. So this is n square plus 301. N can be written as 337 n minus 36 n minus 12,132 equal to 0. You know how to solve this? We will be taking n outside from here. Then it becomes n into n plus 337 minus 36 into n plus 337. I'll just write the final answer. Do the calculation. You'll be getting n is equal to minus 337 or n is equal to 36. Negative value won't come because number of months is always positive. So this value is not possible. N is equal to 36 months. So the final answer is n is equal to 36 months. N is equal to 36 months. Now we are experts in solving quadratic equation. Use this method to solve. If you are using the formula, it may take you some time to do the complete calculation. Here this factorization can be done easily and then you will be getting the final answers. Problem 4. Question number 5 of exercise 2B. Rishabh has recurring deposit account in a post office for 3 years at 8% per annum simple interest. If he gets 9,990 as interest at the time of maturity, find the monthly installment. Second question, the amount of maturity. Amount of maturity means maturity value. Given quantities are n is equal to 3 years equal to 36 months. Then rate of interest is given, R is equal to 8%. Interest is given. If he gets rupees 9,990 as interest, interest is equal to rupees 9,990. Our first question is to find the monthly installment. Monthly installment means P. P is equal to question mark. How do you find P? Use the equation to find interest. That is, I is equal to P into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R divided by 100. Using this equation, you can find the value of P. Here the given values are 9,990 is equal to P into N, 36 into 37 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100, that is 8 divided by 100. 8 divided by 100. Rearranging, P is equal to 9,990 into 2 into 12 into 100 divided by 36 into 37 into 8. Do the calculation. Got the answer? Okay. It is rupees 2250. So the monthly installment P is equal to rupees 2250. Now the second question is to find the amount of maturity, that is maturity value. How do you find the maturity value? Maturity value is equal to P into N plus I. Substitute the values, that is P. We determined P, that is 2250. Yes, 2250 into, what is the value of N? 36. 36 plus I. I is already given in the question. 9990. 2250 into 36. You will be getting 81,000 plus 9990. Now you just need to add these. Okay. This is your final answer. Maturity value will be equal to 90,990. 90,990 is the amount of maturity or the maturity value. Clear? Problem 5. Question number 7 of exercise 2B. Deepa has a 4-year recurring deposit account in a bank and deposits rupees 1800 per month. If she gets 1,08,450 at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest. Given quantities, we have N is equal to 4 years. 4 years equal to 48 months. P is equal to, that is monthly installment, is equal to rupees 1,800. Maturity value is also given. MV is equal to rupees 1,08,450. We need to find the rate of interest. R is equal to question mark. First, we have interest I is equal to P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R divided by 100. Whatever be the question, whatever be the quantity that is to be determined, will always begin with this formula. Okay. I is equal to, we know the value of P, 1,800. N is 48. N plus 1 is 49. Divided by 2 into 12. R. We don't know what R is. R divided by 100. Now do the calculation. 2 into 12 is 24. 24 into 2 is 48. So this can be cancelled. You will be getting 2 here. Zeros can be cancelled. Remaining 18 into 2 into 49 R. If you do the calculation, you will be getting 1,764 R, which is I in terms of R. Interest in terms of rate of interest. Now, next we will be using maturity value. MV is equal to P into N plus I. Here, substituting values, maturity value is already given in the question. That is 1,08,450 450. P into N. We know P is equal to 1800 into N is equal to 48. 48 plus I in terms of R, that is 1764 R. 1764 R is equal to 1,08,450 minus 1800 into 48. On multiplying this, that is 48 into 18. 8 8s are 64. 8 4s are 32. 38. 8. 4. 16. 8. That is 1,08,450 minus, on multiplying this you are getting 86400. Never forget to put the zeros. 1764 R. Now we need to subtract these. 50, 0, 2, 2. 1764 R is equal to 22,050. What is the value of R? Taking this to the denominator, that is 22,050 divided by 1764, which is equal to, your final answer will be 12.5%. Do the calculation properly, you will be getting 12.5%, which is the rate of interest. In the question, we had to find the rate of interest. R is equal to 12.5%. Clear? This is an easy question, right? Yes, every questions are easy. Problem number 6. Question number 8 of exercise 2B. Mr. Brito deposits a certain sum of money each month in a recurring deposit account of a bank. If the rate of interest is 8% per annum and Mr. Brito gets rupees 8,088 from the bank after 3 years, find the value of his monthly installment. Is the question clear? Given quantities are, we have the rate of interest R is equal to 8%. Then maturity value is given. Here rupees 8,088 is the maturity value, is equal to rupees 8,088 after 3 years. N is equal to 3 years, equal to 36 months. 36 months. Find the value of his monthly installment. We have to find value of P. To find P, we should start with the formula for interest. I is equal to P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R divided by 100. Substituting the values, I is equal to, P should be kept as it is, then N 36 into 36 plus 1, 37 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. R is 8 divided by 100. I is equal to 1236. 12 3s are 36. You can cancel this. 2 and 8. 2 4s are 8. 4. That is 37 into 3 into 4 into P divided by 100. You will be getting 444 P divided by 100. I in terms of P. That is, I is equal to 444 divided by 100, 4.44 P. We got interest in terms of P, that is principal. Okay. Now next step, to find the majority value, we have to take the equation MV is equal to P into N plus I. Using this equation, we can find the value of P. Majority value is given in the question, that is 8088 is equal to P into N. We don't know what P is. Value of N 36 plus interest I is equal to 444 P divided by 100 or 4.44 P is equal to 36 P plus 4.44 P. 8088 is equal to 36 plus 4.44. You will be getting 40.44 P. Now, P is equal to 8088 divided by 40.44. What is the final answer? You need to just multiply numerator and denominator with 100 to remove this decimal that is in the denominator. Your final answer will be rupees 200. Every month 200 is being deposited. So this is the value of his monthly installment. Clear? Problem number 7, that is question number 10 of exercise 2B. Katrina opened a recurring deposit account with the nationalized bank for a period of 2 years. If the bank pays interest at the rate of 6% per annum and the monthly installment is rupees 1000, find the interest earned in 2 years and the maturity value. This is a direct question, right? We need to find the interest and maturity value. Given quantities are N is given, that is 2 years equal to 24 months. 24 months. Then rate of interest R is given is equal to 6%. Monthly installment P is given. This is a monthly installment, rupees 1000. First question, we have to find the interest earned in 2 years. To find the interest, we have I is equal to P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R divided by 100. Using this formula, you can find the interest easily. I is equal to, substituting the value. What is the value of P? 1000. Into N is 24. Into 24 plus 1, 25. Divided by 2 into 12 into R divided by 100. R is given 6 divided by 100. Zeros can be cancelled. 2 into 12, 24. 24 is in the numerator. 25 into 6 into 10. I is equal to 25 into 6, you will be getting 150. 150 into 10, rupees 1500. This is the value of interest. Interest I is equal to rupees 1500. Next, we need to find the maturity value. Second question is to find the maturity value. Maturity value MV is equal to P into N plus I. P 1000 into N 24 plus I. We calculated I, that is 1500. 24 into 1000 is 24,000 plus 1500. Your final answer is rupees 25,500. Here in this question, the calculation was somewhat simple, right? We didn't have any complicated calculations here. So your final answer, maturity value is rupees 25,500. Here is our last question for this session. Problem 8, question number 11 of exercise 2B. Mohan has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 2 years at 6% per annum simple interest. If he gets rupees 1,200 as interest at the time of maturity, find the monthly installment and the amount of maturity. In the first question, the given quantities are N is equal to 2 years, which is equal to 24 months. Then R is given 6%. Interest is given I is equal to 1,200. Monthly installment P is equal to question mark. Just substitute the given values in the formula. I is equal to P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R divided by 100. I is 1,200. P, keep it as it is. Then N 24, N plus 1 25 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. 6 by 100. 2 into 12 is 24. Numerator again we have a 24 which can be cancelled. 25 and 100. 25 into 4 is equal to 100. 6 and 4 can be cancelled. You will be getting 3 and 2. So, P is equal to 1,200 into 2 divided by 3. 1,200 divided by 3 is 400. 400 into 2, 800. So, rupees 800 is the monthly installment. Monthly installment P is equal to rupees 800. Next, we need to find the maturity value. Second question, maturity value. How do you find maturity value? MV is equal to P into N plus I. We just need to substitute the values. P 800 into N 24 plus I is given in the question, that is 1,200. 24 into 8. We already have the zeros here. 32, 19. That is 19,200 plus 1,200. Your final answer is 20,400 rupees, which is the maturity value. Clear? Here in the first question, we determine the monthly installment P, and the second part, we determine the maturity value. Clear? Any doubts? In today's class, we have solved together many problems from exercise 2B. By this, our chapter is complete. In the next video, I will be coming with the next chapter. Until then, stay tuned to LearnoHub. LearnoHub free hai, par best hai. Thank you.